Hello everyone and welcome to TLB Academy. Today we are tackling a crucial aspect of ISO 41001 implementation, the challenges organizations may face and the strategic solutions to overcome them. Implementing ISO 41001 for facility management is a transformative journey, and understanding potential roadblocks is key to ensuring a smooth and successful implementation. Let's explore some common challenges and effective solutions in the context of ISO 41001. Lack of awareness and understanding. One of the initial challenges in ISO 41001 implementation is a lack of awareness and understanding. Some stakeholders may not be fully acquainted with the standards requirements and the benefits it brings to faculty management. Solution: to address this, organizations should invest in comprehensive training programs, ensuring that personnel at all levels understand the principles of ISO 41001 fosters a culture of awareness and collaboration, aligning everyone with the common goal of effective facility management. Integration with existing processes. Integrating ISO 41001 with existing facility management processes can be a significant challenge. Organizations may encounter resistance to change or difficulty in aligning established practices with the requirements of the standard. Solution: to overcome this challenge, a phased implementation approach is often effective. By gradually integrating ISO 41001 processes and emphasizing their alignment with existing practices, organizations can minimize disruption and facilitate a smoother transition. Clear communication and collaboration are essential during this integration phase. Resource constraints. Resource constraints, both in terms of personnel and financial resources, can pose challenges in dedicating sufficient time and effort to ISO 41001 implementation. This can impact the effectiveness of the implementation processes. Solution: efficient resource allocation and strategic planning are critical. Organizations should conduct a thorough assessment of their available resources and prioritize action based on their impact. Leveraging external expertise such as consultants or training providers can also be beneficial in optimizing resource utilization. Maintaining momentum and commitment. Maintaining momentum and sustaining commitment throughout the ISO 41001 implementation process can be challenging, especially in the face of competing priorities or changes in organizational leadership. Solution: establishing a robust communication plan is essential. Regularly updating stakeholders on the progress, celebrating milestones, and emphasizing the positive impact of ISO 41001 on facility management can help maintain enthusiasm and commitment. Leadership engagement and support are key drivers in the aspect. Documenting process effectively. Effective documentation of processes as required by ISO 41001 can be a challenge. Ensuring that processes are documented in a clear, comprehensive, and accessible manner is essential for the successful implementation of the standard. Solution: implementing document control systems and providing training on documentation standards are critical solutions. Organizations can establish clear guidelines for documentation, ensuring consistency and clarity. Regular reviews and updates to documentation processes also contribute to maintaining their effectiveness. Demonstrating continuous improvement. Demonstrating a commitment to continuous improvement, a core principle of ISO 41001, can be challenging without a structured approach. Some organizations may struggle to identify and implement meaningful improvements over time. Solution: establishing a formalized process for continuous improvement, such as regular reviews and assessments, ensures that the organization is actively seeking ways to enhance its facility management practices. Encouraging a culture where feedback is valued and improvements are celebrated helps embed this principle in the organizational mindset. In conclusion, ISO 41001 implementation is not without its challenges, but with strategic solutions and a proactive approach, organizations can navigate these hurdles successfully. By fostering awareness, integrating processes thoughtfully, optimizing resources, maintaining commitment, documenting effectively, and embracing continuous improvement, organizations can unlock the full potential of ISO 41001 in elevating their facility management practices. Thank you for joining us today, and I encourage you to approach ISO 41001 implementation as a journey of improvement and excellence for your organization. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.